Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how to prepare Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent it is a reagent that is used to differentiate between aldehydes and ketones. So first thing is how to prepare Tollens reagent in a lab. So it is prepared in two steps. Step number one is take a test tube filled with silver nitrate. Take a test tube filled with silver nitrate. Add few drops of sodium hydroxide that must be diluted. So there will be chemical reaction between silver nitrate and sodium hydroxide. Reaction will be silver nitrate plus NaOH. As a result, a brown precipitate of silver oxide is formed. This will turn brown. A brown precipitate will form. This is a brown precipitate and sodium nitrate and water also form. So in first step there is a formation of a brown precipitate. Step number 2 involves addition of concentrated ammonia solution. Addition of concentrated ammonia solution in this test tube that is now having brown precipitate. So this concentrated ammonia solution is added until this brown precipitate completely dissolves. So reaction will be silver oxide plus ammonia plus water. This is brown precipitate. Now we are adding concentrated ammonia solution, or we can simply say this is ammonium hydroxide, right? And finally we will obtain we will have a formation of a Tollen reagent. So this is our, if we write the UPSC name of this is diamine silver, oxidation state is 1 hydroxide. So its IUPAC name is diamine silver, oxidation state 1 hydroxide. So, and this will be identified by a colorless solution. Initially we have a brown precipitate. Now this brown precipitate will completely dissolves, and now finally we will have a Tollens reagent, and this Tollen reagent is used to differentiate between aldehydes and ketones. So step is quite simple. Step number 1, take a test tube filled with silver nitrate, add few drops of sodium hydroxide. This will turn brown precipitate will form, and that belongs to silver oxide. In step number 2, addition of concentrated ammonia solution, or we can simply say addition of ammonium hydroxide. This ammonium hydroxide will dissolve brown precipitate, and now we will have a colorless compound of silver. Actually this is coordinate compound. The IUPAC name we have mentioned already, diamine silver, oxidation state 1 hydroxide, and this is our Tollen reagent, right? Quite simple process. You can try it in a lab. In next video we will use how aldehydes and ketones react with the Tollens reagent. Actually it is a characteristics reaction of aldehydes. Ketones are unable to react with the Tollens reagent. This is only a mild oxidizing agent. Tollens agent is a mild oxidizing agent, means not so strong oxidizing agent. That's why it can oxidize only aldehydes to acid, but it will not oxidize ketone to acid. We will understand in a next video. That's it for a Tollens reagent. You can try it at a lab. Quite simple procedure. Right? Thanks for watching.